clear poured down right on top of there.
There's too many bees, isn't it?
I think that's a bit over for anybody. This one. So today I'm just going to go right down. That's bees up there and all that way up there. So I think I'm just going to go down to that third super, put the clearer board on, do it that way. I'll have to check in the brew box another day. Now,
it's nearly empty as well.
no, it's look, capped.
I mean, no, I meant of bees.
Oh right, bees, yeah, because they do move down once they can be us. They do move down when there's plenty in that one. As soon as you open it, they're trying to rob it. You lift it out your side. I think that's full of honey, don't you?
Yeah, I got it. I haven't got it one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at the honey spurting out, look. It's filling out.
Plenty of honey in that one. Oh yes. Right, that's
I
good.
always do that and then realise I can't eat it because I've got a bee suit on.
You can use it to push it.
Yeah, I have done that, yeah.
Oh, that's chocolate
Oh,
as
there's
well.
just some honey on there, isn't there? Huh? That's unbelievable, isn't it? And how long has that took them to do all that honey?
Bear in mind, I took over £100 in spring.
Yeah. So there's probably £100 just in
It's
them
going to
three,
be
isn't
at least 60, 70 pounds.
What, in three of them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's that one like?
Well, this one, they're still working on this one.
I don't know. It's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty good, but it's not good at the end. It's got to be good, yeah. There must be some bees in this colony, I think.
I don't know. I never thought that was huge, particularly. Look at that.
Yeah, it's getting there, isn't it?
That's ready to extract. Almost under 20%, which it will be. So the next two might not be so good though, because they're the ones I put on
Recently.
well, about three and a half weeks ago, so that might not be so. I just want to give them the room, because at the end of the day they needed it, regardless of whether they fill this super up or not. They did need the space because they were running out of space.
Well, yeah, they've probably done about 25% of this one.
Have they?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That's not bad. I'm pleased with that. Right, so they've tried on that, haven't
Yeah, they're starting. They're working all right.
God, wasp again. So yeah, they're still trying to fill. This bottom one will be down longer, so I'm expecting it to be
Full.
pretty full, yeah. Wow,
Fucking hell.
not wrong, was I? Right, okay, so I'm gonna
You gotta take this one off and put the mother's bag on.
yeah, keep this on.
Good honey.
I've got another super on there, I didn't realise that. DL.
We got to keep one on for food for.
I'm just going to put Clarabelle on top of these and clear them ones.
What, and keep 2 full ones on there?
No, that's going to be 2 in 12 hours and they're not going to clear. Not all going to clear down.
Oh, I see what you mean. Well, yeah, can't you swap some of them round then?
And what do you mean?
Well, you've got some empty ones there. You can put them
There's
empty
still
ones
bees
on.
in there. I need to clear them, don't I?
Yeah, but if you put the empty ones on, leave all the full ones on the top.
No, that's. I'll just put the clear board, clear them 4, and leave. No, I won't. I'll clear that one as well, so it's quite empty, and leave these 2 on.
Why don't you swap that empty one round with this one and you can clear one of them full ones then, can't you?
It doesn't really matter, does it?
Yeah, well, you can extract it then, can't you?
Well, yeah, but. And so fill this one underneath is.
It's going to be really full.
You don't want me to get in.
Yeah, when you think about it, if they say like they made all their honey for the year, they'd be a fucking big beehive next year, wouldn't they?
This
Got
has been
plenty of food, haven't they?
Yeah, this has been a really good queen. And
Mind you, where in the world would they find somewhere big enough to fill up?
well, that's the point. The tree trunk
Yeah.
can only be so big a cavity, couldn't it? It's a good point.
That's going to be crammed, isn't it?
Yeah, you see. God, bloody hell. I think this one's going to be full. Stop, buddy. Right, let's have a look. Jesus.
Look at that. Yeah.
Dark honey as well, isn't it?
Beautiful honey.
Right.
Oh, yeah. That's good summer honey, that.
Is that?
Yeah. Absolutely lovely.
Right. Come on.
Always tastes 10 times better when you do that, for some reason.
Is that you, that little kid sticking your fingers
Yeah,
into
that's it, isn't
a
it?
chocolate pot? Well, we do ourselves, put a clearer board, because they're both chocolate, aren't they?
Yeah, mind you, that's going to need one for feed over winter, isn't it? This big hive.
I'll wait and see when I.
Yeah, when you reduce it.
Yeah. See, there's no good just putting them all that clearer board on, and I'd rather do it in stages. So that's
Brilliant,
blimey, unreal. How much she's given me.
Fucking wasp.
Look at that.
Yeah, honey everywhere, isn't
I was hoping that was going to be good. I mean, there was no guarantees, but you think, oh, you turn up and they've been on a bit of a drought. But them two, they're even starting to try that, haven't they?
Yeah.
To draw that out.
They're really good bees, aren't they?
Yeah. Right, let's get them cleared. trying to make sure there's no gaps.
I'm not happy. Couldn't you shake one of them off rather than lifting it right back up there?
No, it's, put the clear ball was easier.
Yeah.
Got to get the brush, you got to try and brush it more often. They're still trying to go on there. Bloody hate this question. Go give it a hand this time, mate.
Yeah.
As it is, straight over. Excellent.
We're going all back together, mate.
What do you think? How many pounds is in that hide? Got to be 120, 130. Leaf? Yeah, it's a bit lethal sometimes around here.
So that is an absolutely massive hole, isn't it?
That is impressive.
7 foot
Why
tall.
has it not gone down?
I don't know, yeah, maybe the insulation's in the way, is it? Have I put something on wrong? Oh, I put them the wrong way round, have I? Let's see.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
Tell you what. No, it's pretty good, isn't it?
Brilliant.
I'd
isn't
say
it?
it's at least 100 and, we'll say 120, 130 off this one. That one's going to have, I don't know, £10. The one over the other one is going to be full. 150, 160. I'll get about another 160, 170 pound there, aren't they?
Yeah.
That's just source hair, a little
How
bit
many
of
jars
Hollands.
is that then? That was a pound. We do them pound
Do it
jars, do
half
you?
ounce, so it's 170 pound would be 340 jars.
Have you got any local markets to do yet?
Yeah, I've got loads to do. Quite a few.
So you'll see the local markets put up on KKBs if you want to get a bit of honey. If not, we'll just eat it all ourselves.
So at least now, hopefully they can be pretty clear by the morning, down to them two into the brood box. And we'll see how many bees there is, and if there's still absolutely can't reduce them to a single, but I'll just leave a
Yeah.
super on, a drawn soup, and then I'll feed them, they can fill it up with sugar syrup, so I just got to remember that, obviously super for next year and make sure I don't use it.
Yeah, yeah.
But you know, sometimes, look at them, look. They're mental, don't they?
Still that honey, aren't they?
They start robbing. See, other bees from the, you know, will start to rob them ones out as well. There's no loyalty, mate. Look at them, look. Right, so what was the outcome for today?
Dunno.
This is obviously, I'd say pretty much as queen right.
Yeah,
Don't know for certain.
Brilliant.
Didn't check, but this one is the only one that got robbed out, and that was a week one. That's queen right. That's queen right. The one over there is queen right. That's probably
queen
queen
right.
right, to be honest, and that's definitely queen right. Okay.
see, why not? Another video.